Here's how to check your age on TikTok in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Your age on TikTok affects features like live, comments, direct messages, and content restrictions. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Account. Then tap Account Information to view your account details. Look for Date of Birth. This is the age TikTok uses to determine your account access. If your birth date is hidden, TikTok does not display your exact age publicly, but it still uses this date internally. If your age is incorrect, you can't change it directly. Tap Report a Problem and contact TikTok support to request a correction. TikTok may ask for ID verification to confirm your real age. And that's it. That's how you check your age on TikTok. Subscribe for more TikTok and phone tips.